Every time that I'm crying or I need some help, or even when I don't believe myself, I call my mom. I know she believes in me much more than I do. And she comforts me all the time. She say those sweet things that only moms can do. They're always there for us, no matter what we do, and they encourage us day by day, every day. So I feel like when I don't feel as living as much, or as being happy as much, or I feel like not enjoying the time I'm enjoying, I just call her and she comforts me. So I think most of people would say that my favorite person is my mom, because moms are the best.